Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine. In today's class, we will be seeing about subtraction with regrouping. What is subtraction with regrouping? When we subtract a bigger number from the smaller number, we cannot do it. So, we borrow 1 from the digit before it. This is called subtraction with regrouping. Let us see example 1. We are going to subtract 138 from 264. This means we should write 264 first and 138 below it with the subtraction sign as shown in the video. Always start the subtraction from the ones place. In the ones place, the first number has 4 and the second number has 8. We cannot subtract as the first number is smaller. So, we borrow 1 from the tens place. The number in the tens place will become 5 and the ones place will have 14. Now, we can subtract as 14 is bigger than 8. You can draw 14 line and strike 8 lines, or you could count forward from 8 till you reach 14. However, 14 minus 8 we get 6. Write it below the ones column. Next, we subtract the tens. From 5 we take away 3. We get 2. Write it below the tens column. Finally, we subtract from 100. From 2 we take away 1. We get 1. We write it below the hundreds column. Hence, when 138 is subtracted from 264, we get the answer as 126. Let us see example 2. We are going to subtract 246 from 805. This means we should write 805 first and 246 below it with the subtraction sign as shown in the video. Always start the subtraction from the ones place. In the ones place, the first number has 5 and the second number has 6. We cannot subtract as the first number is smaller. So, we borrow 1 from the tens place. But in the tens place, we have 0 and we cannot borrow. So, we borrow from the hundreds place. The number in the hundreds place will become 7 and the tens place will become 10. Now, from 10, we take 1 and give it to the ones place. So, the tens place will become 9 and the ones place will have 15. So, 15 minus 6, we get 9. Write it below the ones column. Next, we subtract the tens. From 9, we take away 4. We get 5. Write it below the tens column. Finally, we subtract the hundreds. From 7, we take away 2. We get 5. Write it below the hundreds column. Hence, when 246 is subtracted from 805, we get the answer is 559. Dear students, hope you all understood how to do subtraction with regrouping. Go through the video again and again for better understanding. Thank you, children. Have a blessed